Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of layout on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve layout on Picsart, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on Picsart and you will enter here. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.